Hi, I'm Sarah from You Floral, and I'm going to show you guys how to attach an Oasis foam cube like this one to an arch so you can make an arrangement like this one. So there's two types of classical arch arrangements. One is this sort of sideways arch, and then folks also often put an arch sort of in the middle here. So if you were going to do that here, you would need to put a screw or something here. And this actually has a little hole here, so you could put your screw in place and then just hook it in. But I would also recommend doubling up. So put a screw here, maybe hook it on, then put a screw on the back side, and then use something like a zip tie. And then you can take your zip tie and feed it through the mesh of the foam cube, wrap it around, and then just tightly tie it on, and then that will keep it in place. But it's important to have the screw in the back because once you add the flowers on, it gets really heavy and it will just slide downwards if you don't have that screw really holding it in place. Even though like the zap strap holds it pretty good, like you can see it holds a fair amount of weight, I would just put a screw on the back side just to make sure it stays in place. If you're wanting to put a flower arrangement on the corner of your arch, you're gonna need to take your floral foam and situate it at an angle at the side. And then again, I'm gonna be using zap straps in order to make sure that floral foam stays firmly attached to the arrangement. So hopefully you guys enjoyed learning today about how to attach your Oasis foam cubes to your arch, and let me know if you have any questions.